What's up guys? In this video I am going to show you guys how to make a pyramid in Python in an easy way. So before diving the code, I'm going to show you guys how to understand the logic behind this. So in this code we use just one for loop, not even nested loops, just one for loop, easy way as I said. So in the output we see that we got 9 space and 1 asterisk in first line. In the second line, we see that there is 8 space and 3 asterisk. So in each loop, our spaces decrease by 1, and in each loop, our asterisk amount of asterisk increase by 2. This is the logic, easy way, guys. As I said, this is the easiest way to make a pyramid in Python. So let's get in the code section. I'm going to initialize a variable, let's say x9. Okay, so and we're gonna make a for loop for I in range function. We're gonna use range function. This range function can get 3 parameters. In the first parameter we're gonna define 1 because we want to start with 1, right? 1 asterisk 3 5 7 9. So it will go through 1 2 9. So the second parameter is not inclusive, it is exclusive. So what we're gonna do here, x plus 1. Okay, so we got third parameter in this function. So in a default position, our range function increase the number 1 through 9 by 1, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, but we want that our number increase by 2, so we're gonna make 2, right? So what's gonna happen is 1 3 5 7 9, easy logic. Okay, so as a add a colon at the end, enter. So what do we do right now? Just print add the spaces, space times x plus, this is our space, okay, 9 space, and plus asterisk times I. We forget to add this. Okay, so but we want that our spaces should decrease by 1 in each loop. So what are we gonna do is x equals x minus 1. Easy logic behind this. So let's run the code. As you guys see here, we got the same output, 9 space 8 space 7 space. Easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, by the way. It gives me motivation, you know. See you guys in another video.